Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can view all the members of your Discord server, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to view all the members of your Discord server, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to the server for which you want to view the members. And once you're on the server, next, I want you to tap the server name at the top. And after tapping it, you will now be on the server's profile. So now that you're on the server's profile, I want you to go to Settings. And here in Settings, I want you to scroll down to the bottom and then you will now be able to see the members option, so just go and tap it to see the members of your server. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you will now be able to see all the members of the Discord server. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.